The steering is incredibly tight, incredibly easy. It's a little bit lighter than I thought it was going to be, even in race mode. It doesn't get my skin tingling, not in the way that Thomas has been saying that the M4 has for him.
And then there's the exhaust. This is the Titanium M exhaust, and it is one of the loudest exhausts I have ever heard on a stock car. It sounds like a bear is losing a fight to a wolverine. It barks, and it howls, and it wails, and it gurgles, and it moans. It's just so charismatic. It might not be a muscly V8, but it is a very proud inline six.